Spanish, it's... Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learning Spanish with Eric Carle's flashcards. So we're going to start by learning the names of some fruit. By the way, if anyone noticed anything familiar, Eric Carle also wrote The Hungry Caterpillar. First, we've got lemon. In Spanish, it's el limón. Next, we've got an apple. In Spanish, it's la manzana. Then, we've got a strawberry. In Spanish, it's la fresa. Now, we got lime. In Spanish, it's la lima. Last but not least, we've got banana. In Spanish, it's el plátano. By the way, I've only just started learning Spanish, so if I get anything wrong, I'm sorry. Next up, we've got nature. First, we've got rainbow. In Spanish, it's el arco iris. Next, we've got star. In Spanish, it's la estrella. Next, we've got sun. In Spanish, it's el sol. Next, we've got cloud. In Spanish, it's la nube. And the last of the nature cards is moon. And in Spanish, it's la luna. The final topic is animals. First, we've got elephant. In Spanish, it's el elefante. Second, we've got dog. In Spanish, it's el perro. Now we've got cat. And in Spanish, it's el gato. Next up is fox. In Spanish, it's el zorro. Now we've got fish. In Spanish, it's el pez. Next is lion. In Spanish, it's el león. Following on, we've got penguin. In Spanish, it's el pingüino. Now up with a big roar is a bear. In Spanish, it's el oso. Now we've got tiger. In Spanish, it's el tigre. Finally, we've got turtle. In Spanish, it's la tortuga. Thanks for learning Spanish with me, and make sure you subscribe because there's more Spanish videos coming your way. Adios, amigos!